What if one day the sun vanished from our skies, plunging the entire planet into eternal darkness? Imagine the ultimate darkness scenario, where the source of all light and life in our solar system simply disappears. What would happen next? Welcome to Flak Lab, where we delve into the most mind-boggling what-if scenarios. Today, we're exploring the chilling thought of the sun suddenly disappearing and the catastrophic consequences that would follow. The sun is not just a blazing ball of gas in the sky, it's the very core of our existence, providing warmth and energy. It sustains all life on Earth. But what if it were to vanish? In this episode, we'll take a journey into the depths of this apocalyptic scenario, unraveling the scientific mysteries and exploring the chilling impact on our planet and beyond. So buckle up as we embark on a journey into the ultimate darkness scenario, where the sun's disappearance changes everything we know about our universe. Immediate effects, first 24 hours. In the immediate aftermath of the sun's disappearance, chaos would ensue as the Earth plunges into darkness. The first and most striking change would be the sudden drop in temperature. The sun's heat would no longer reach our planet, leading to a rapid decline in surface temperatures. Within hours, regions once basking in sunlight would experience a chilling cold. Cities would scramble to provide heating solutions, but many would struggle to cope with the extreme and unexpected cold. With the sun gone, the sky would transform into an eerie blackness, devoid of the familiar glow. Day and night would become indistinguishable, casting confusion and disorientation among living beings. Plants, animals, and humans would be thrust into a perpetual state of nocturnal activity, adapting to the new, lightless environment. For diurnal species, this sudden shift in behavior could disrupt ecosystems and food chains, leading to widespread consequences. One of the most immediate impacts would be the disruption of global communication and navigation systems. Satellites, heavily reliant on solar power, would cease to function, causing widespread disruptions in telecommunications, weather forecasting, and GPS services. Air travel would be severely affected as planes struggle to navigate without accurate GPS guidance, leading to grounded flights and logistical nightmares. Moreover, the sudden darkness would trigger panic and fear among populations worldwide. Without the sun's reassuring presence, psychological distress and anxiety levels would skyrocket. Emergency services would be overwhelmed as people grapple with the uncertainty of a world shrouded in darkness. Imagine a world where the sky transitions from the vibrant hues of a sunset to a pitch-black canvas within minutes. The once bustling streets now illuminated by artificial light, casting long shadows and creating an atmosphere of unease and uncertainty. In the first 24 hours after the sun's disappearance, the Earth would witness a dramatic shift in climate, behavior, and societal norms, setting the stage for a world grappling with the ultimate darkness scenario. Short-term impact, days to weeks. As the days pass without the sun's comforting glow, Earth plunges into a frigid darkness. Temperatures plummet rapidly, with the average global temperature dropping below freezing within a week. Without the sun's energy, photosynthesis halts, leading to a cascade of effects on the food chain. Plant life starts to wither and die. This loss of vegetation disrupts entire ecosystems, impacting herbivores and the predators that rely on them. Animals unable to adapt quickly face extinction, mirroring past mass extinctions in Earth's history. Humans face dire challenges as well. With no sunlight for solar panels, power grids struggle to supply electricity, leading to widespread blackouts. Communication networks falter, and transportation systems grind to a halt. The lack of sunlight disrupts our circadian rhythms, affecting sleep patterns and overall mental health. In the oceans, phytoplankton, the base of the marine food chain, struggle to survive without sunlight. This disruption reverberates through the ocean ecosystem, affecting fish populations and marine mammals. Coastal communities that depend on fishing face food shortages and economic hardship. Cities become eerily quiet as the absence of the sun disrupts weather patterns, leading to extreme and unpredictable atmospheric conditions. Without the sun's warmth, the atmosphere cools rapidly, causing intense wind patterns and snowfalls in unexpected regions. The sudden shift in climate triggers chaos and confusion among populations ill-prepared for such drastic changes. In this ultimate darkness scenario, the short-term impacts are profound and far-reaching, testing the resilience of all life forms on Earth. The next section will explore the medium-term consequences of a world without its guiding star. The disappearance of the sun would be a cataclysmic event that defies imagination. To understand it, we must examine the mechanisms that power our solar system. To understand the science behind this ultimate darkness scenario, we must delve into the intricate workings of our solar system. At the heart of this system lies the sun, a massive ball of hot gas that produces light and heat through a process called nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is the process by which the sun converts hydrogen into helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This energy is what sustains life on Earth and drives the planet's climate and weather systems. Without the sun, Earth would be plunged into a deep freeze, with temperatures plummeting to hundreds of degrees below, freezing in days. Imagine the sun as a gigantic furnace that provides warmth to a house. If the furnace suddenly goes out, the house quickly becomes uninhabitable as the cold creeps in. In the same way, the absence of the sun would result in a rapid cooling of our planet. Furthermore, the sun's gravity is crucial in holding the solar system together. Its gravitational pull keeps the planets in their orbits and maintains the delicate balance of forces that govern celestial motion. Without the sun's gravitational influence, the planets would drift off into space, lost in the darkness of the cosmos. In essence, the sun's disappearance would not only extinguish the light and heat that sustain life, but also disrupt the very fabric of our solar system. It serves as a stark reminder of the sun's profound influence on our existence and the fragility of our place in the universe. Picture a vibrant sun at the center of the solar system, emitting a bright glow that illuminates the planets orbiting around it. Visualize Earth shrouded in darkness, with icy winds sweeping across a frozen landscape devoid of life. Envision the planets of the solar system drifting aimlessly in space, untethered by the gravitational bonds that once held them in place. Long-term consequences of the sun's disappearance would bring cataclysmic changes to our planet, reshaping the very fabric of life as we know it over months to years. One inevitable outcome is the gradual cooling of Earth's atmosphere. Without the sun's heat, temperatures would plummet drastically. The oceans, once teeming with life, would freeze over, leading to the extinction of marine species. Land-based ecosystems would also suffer, as plants would struggle to photosynthesize without sunlight, disrupting the entire food chain. As time progresses, Earth's climate would reach an equilibrium, settling into a new frozen state.